In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up direct deposit with Sofi. Setting up direct deposit is a great way to streamline your finances, ensuring your paycheck lands directly into your Sofi account without any hassle. Let's dive right in and make sure you get set up smoothly. First off, grab your smartphone and open the Sofi app. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll notice several tabs at the bottom of your screen. You'll want to tap on the one labeled Banking. This is where you'll find all the essential features related to your Sofi account. Now that you're in the banking section, look for an option that says Direct Deposit or Set Up Direct Deposit. Tapping on this will take you to a new page, and here's where the magic happens. You'll be presented with your Sofi routing number and account number. These are the key pieces of information you'll need to set up your direct deposit. If you're setting this up through your employer, you'll need to provide them with these numbers. Some employers allow you to enter this information manually into your payroll settings. So check with your workplace to see what their process is. Having these numbers handy will make the setup a breeze. Sometimes you might see an option that says, "Help me set up direct deposit." This is a super convenient feature that Sofi offers to guide you automatically through the setup process. If you're not sure where to start, this can be a helpful tool to make sure you don't miss any steps. If prompted, you'll need to select your account type, either checking or savings, depending on where you want your paycheck to land. And here's a neat feature. If your employer is supported, you may be able to connect directly by logging into your employer's system through the Sofi app. This direct connection can save you time and ensure everything is set up correctly. Once you've completed these steps, you're all set. Your paycheck will now be deposited directly into your Sofi account, making it easier for you to manage your money and keep track of your finances. And that's it. That's how to set up direct deposit with Sofi. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to enjoy the convenience of direct deposit. Thanks for watching and happy banking.